This is the Microbit coding website. This is how you get it to do different things. We are using blocks as our way of coding. When you first come to this website, it'll give you two options. On start, which things will happen as soon as you plug the battery in, or forever, meaning they will continue to loop over and over and over again. For today, we are going to do on start, and we are going to start with our simple basic instructions. So when I click on basic, it gives me a number of options. It tells me I can have it show a number. I can have it light up different LEDs, those are those red lights. I can have it show me different icons or pictures. I can have it tell me a string of words or a word. I can have it pause, and it gives me the forever and on start options again. I'm going to have it show me a picture, so I'm going to click on show icon, and I am going to drag it to on start. If you notice, the little yellow arrow lights up. That's how I know I'm ready to connect it. I don't want it to be a heart. Instead, I want it to be a smiley face. So I'm going to find the picture that I want, click on smiley face, and if you look over to the side, you'll see that the Microbit is showing me a little portion of what it's actually going to do. Now, it's really neat that I have it showing me a smiley face, but I want it to do more. So I'm going to click back over to basic, and this time I'm going to have it say something. I'm going to click on the box that says hello. I'm going to drag it until the yellow gets there, and I am going to attach it. I'm going to click in that box till I highlight the word hello, and then I'm going to delete it out, and I'm going to type what I want it to say. I'm going to say happy birthday. Now if I click off and I look over here, it's showing me what happened. So I have my smiley face, and now it's reading happy birthday to me. I can keep adding and subtracting stuff as much as I want. So this time I'm going to do show LEDs. I have my little arrow lit up yellow. I'm ready to connect. And I want to make my LEDs light up like a sideways S because I think that looks really cool. So all I'm doing is clicking on the lights that I want to light up. And if we continue to watch over here off to the side, it will actually go through and show me everything that I've coded. So it says happy. We're working on birthday. And then it's going to show me my special LED picture that I just drew. If I decide I didn't like that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on what I don't like, and I am going to drag it off to the side, and there's a trash can there. Now I don't have that anymore. When I am done, all I have to do is come over off to the side and give it a title. I'm going to call this one my sample, and click save. I now have a program written, and I'm going to show you how to download it and put it on your Microbit in another video.